Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rinty's plate. I'm gonna make green juice. Green juice. You saw me earlier picking my star fruit from my tree. I'm not gonna make ripe star fruit juice. I'm gonna make green star fruit juice with apple, green apple, and my kiwi. So I have 4 apple, 4 kiwi, and 7 star fruit with my lime. I'm using lime this time. And you know, this is my secret ingredients. My ginger. When you have the ginger in your juice, you have juice to drink. Refreshing and nice. So, okay, I'm going to wash all these fruits and then I come right back. These not going to get them. Pick them from the tree. Prepare my star fruit. I'm just gonna put apple in. I'm just gonna put apple in the same thing. I'm gonna take the seed from the apple. I'm not making too much noise. Okay. Let's try it like this. It's kiwi, right? Okay, this is my kiwi. I'm gonna taste it. It have a sour taste. Although they're ripe, they have a sour taste. So you know what? Forget about the lime in my juice. I'm not gonna put no lime in the juice, okay? I like to do the ginger first, you know. They all know my remaining part what I want. So I start my ginger first. Okay, just start with my ginger. Oh, there goes my ginger. And I'm gonna just do my kiwi. Doesn't matter. Let me just put it. I don't want to mix it. Alright. I love my ginger. Really love my ginger. It's good in your juice. Very, very good. Okay. Alright, as I go, this is my kiwi. Ooh. And then I blend the other juice. So I have my ginger and my kiwi in this container. You juice it out already. I'm going to put star fruit. fruit here. Okay. Round 3 blend. I don't want a lot of water on it because you know these fruit have water. Let me see this first. Ooh. This is my juice here. I'm just gonna add a cup of sugar to it. No more than a cup of sugar. Brown sugar. You can use white sugar. You can use honey. Okay? I am not gonna put any lemon in my juice. No more lime. Lime or lemon. Oh, this looks nice. My honey is ready, you know, waiting for me to call him. I know that, because he loves juice. Honey?
Yes, wifey?
Come and taste my juice, man.
Okay.
Wow. You know what I make this time?
What do you make this time?
Star fruit from the back.
Oh Lord, that's
The green,
nice.
the green star fruit. And the kiwi that I have.
Oh.
And the green and
Because it
with
tastes
ginger.
delicious.
I didn't put any lemon in it because you know green juice always a kind of have a sour taste. So I didn't have a lemon in it or lime.
Alright, let's cheers.
Alright, cheers and let us drink and tell me your taste. Wow.
This is so delicious, wifey.
Refreshing, man. Wow.
This is so rich and nice.
I mean everything can make juice. Very nice.
And so refreshing. And time is so hot and you get a glass like this. It's so delicious. Oh my. Guys, you're missing something.
Wow. Guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comments down below, man. Okay? And give me a thumbs up.
So delicious.
Very nice. Thank you all for watching. Bye.